with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me.
Alright guys, today we're unboxing OPPO's brand new flagship, the OPPO Find X9 Pro. Let's dive right in and see what this phone has to offer. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The version I have here is in the Velvet Sand Titanium color. Sounds fancy already, right? I'm really curious to see how it looks in person. The box design itself is a little different this time, and yep, as always, we've got some spicy strips to keep the unboxing session interesting. Now, about that Velvet Sand Titanium finish. At first, I was expecting something closer to a matte gray, but honestly, after seeing the actual device, I've got to say, it's stunning. Let's open it up and check it out. Right as I lift the lid, there's a little surprise. Let's start by taking a look at the phone case inside. Usually, just by checking out the case, you can get an idea of the phone's overall design language. This time, OPPO included a simple, solid-colored shell, slightly brownish, and you can already spot where the quad-shaped camera module will sit in the top left corner. And now, here it is, the Find X9 Pro in all its glory. According to early reports, OPPO ditched the four-curve display this time and went for a flat screen instead. The protective film might be a pain to peel off, but it's totally worth it for what's underneath. Just look at that. The X9 Pro looks absolutely gorgeous. The color combination feels premium and refined. The moment I held it, the texture stood out immediately. This feels like what the iPhone 17 Pro should have been like. Honestly, it's even more premium in the hand. Of course, that elegant texture comes with a trade-off. The flat edge frame doesn't feel quite as comfortable as curved edges. Some fans have been critical of the new camera design, saying it's lost the unique identity of older models. But personally, I think this new approach feels more unified and polished, part of OPPO's growing family design language. After all, a tiny Oreo-style module would have looked out of place on a phone this size. Take a closer look. Those ultra-thin bezels and smooth rounded corners give it a very clean, balanced appearance. I'm pretty sure even the skeptics will change their minds once they see it in real life. And check this out. The Hasselblad logo is still proudly displayed, and OPPO has even added a dedicated camera button on the right side. On the left, there's a shortcut key, which is surprisingly handy. Despite having sharp-looking borders, the edges have been slightly softened, giving it a better grip compared to other boxy designs out there. The display quality looks crisp and vibrant with great clarity overall. So to sum it all up, the OPPO Find X9 Pro feels like a major step forward in terms of craftsmanship and design. The new aesthetic direction not only looks more refined, but also sets a solid foundation for OPPO's future flagships. If you're someone who values top-tier camera performance and long battery life, this one should definitely be on your radar. I'll be posting a detailed review of the OPPO Find X9 Pro series right after its official launch on October 16th. So make sure to subscribe and join our tech family to catch that full deep dive. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.